Yo, Ubisoft gamers! Want to play offline in Ubisoft Connect without the online hassle? This 2-minute guide's got your back for 2025. If this rocks, smash that like button and subscribe. Let's dive in. Step 1. Hit the Windows search bar, bottom left, magnifying glass, and type Ubisoft Connect. Right-click the app. Select Open File Location. This opens a folder. Right-click Ubisoft Connect again. Choose Open File Location one more time. Now you're in the guts. Look for a file called upc.x or eplaywebcore.x, about 20 megabytes. Right-click it. Select Copy as Path to grab its exact location. Step 2. Open the Start menu. Search Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security and click it. A new window pops up. Kind of techy, but no sweat. On the left, click Outbound Rules, then hit New Rule. On the right, Step 3. In the wizard, choose Program and click Next. Click Browse. Paste that file path you copied. Select upc.x or uplaywebcore.x and hit Open. Click Next, then pick Block the Connection. Click Next again. Keep all boxes checked. Domain private, public, and name the rule something cool like Ubisoft Offline. Click Finish, and boom, your firewall is blocking Ubisoft's online chatter. Doesn't restart the app or toggle the Go Offline option in settings. Now you can play Assassin's Creed or Far Cry without internet. If games won't launch, double-check the firewall rule or temporarily disable it. That's it. You're set. Like, subscribe, and drop your favorite Ubisoft game in the comments. Peace out. Catch you next time.